Got a kind of a strange one here. It's the Lockinvar Knight wall hung boiler. It's working fine. Let's see. You can see as it's modulating right now. I put the turn the air handler on, so it would start modulating. Now, once this thing, you can kind of hear it. Sounds like the inducer makes noise. Once it ramps up to about 60%, inducer will start vibrating right from between 60 and between 60 and 65%. It's right now it's 19 degrees outside, so let's see if it makes that noise. It's at 59%. We're at 60, 62. There it goes. Can you hear that? 62, 64. 65, 66%, and it starts getting quieter. And then at 67%, it stops. So right in that 5% range of modulation, that inducer makes that noise. And it does the same thing when it kicks back down, which is odd. So I don't know if anybody's run into that with these Lockinvars or anything. This is my first time hearing that happen. So if you got any input on it, let me know. Thanks.